Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with a cool box of surprise goodies sent to us by our friends at Entertainment Earth. EntertainmentEarth.com, as many of you already know, is a great place if you have somebody who has a fandom to get gifts and holiday items. Let's crack open the box and take a look at what they sent us. Inside the mystery box was a bunch of Funko figures. Entertainment Earth sells all kinds of Funko products and often has exclusives as well. We got a giant WALL-E. WALL-E is my favorite Pixar film. We got a Funko Pop moment of WALL-E and Eve with the Christmas lights wrapped around Eve because she has shut down, but WALL-E is in love with her. We've got a regular size WALL-E, and then we have two versions of Mo, including a chase version. So it's always a mystery if you're going to get a chase or not. They're rare. But Entertainment Earth was nice enough to send us one of those. And then one of the most popular new items from Funko are the soda pops. These also have a chaser element, so it's a mystery if you get a chaser or not inside the can. These all sell out really quickly, so they're highly coveted collectibles. Here are all of the WALL-E figures out of their packaging, and we'll start with Mo, which includes that chaser. I want to show you guys how can you identify a chaser. They do put a sticker on the box. Another thing I love about the packaging on this is just the inside of the label has the By and Large logo, which is a fun little nod to the story of WALL-E, and even Mo as a character has a By and Large logo on the back of him because that's who he's made by. The WALL-E figure, it's different than other WALL-Es that they've done in the past. He's got his fire extinguisher and he's floating on a cloud of fire extinguisher dust. There is an Eve that goes in this set, and that Eve has her little galactic swirls coming out of her. So if you have those two WALL-E and Eve figures together, it's going to recreate the Define dancing sequence from WALL-E, which is one of my favorite moments. The Pop Moments figure recreates the moment where WALL-E, having already fallen in love with Eve, who is powered down, tries to have a romantic moment with her. He is tied Christmas lights around her. Her face is off because she is powered down. And the little trash can that's in this scene with them has the WALL-E Hearts Eve little icon on it that he burned in, which is adorable. And then there is this giant WALL-E. He is quite heavy. He's a solid figure. He's got his adorable expression. His eye sockets are cocked up in an inquisitive way. He's got his little claws out like a little puppy, and he is so adorable. If you're a huge WALL-E fan like I am, this is going to look great as room decor. I'm honestly in love with this whole entire set, and I am going to have to pick up that Eve figure to complete the Define dancing moment from the film because that's just too adorable. With the Funko soda pieces, the cans let you know how many total figures were made. So for example, in the case of Deadpool, it was 1,500, but there are chasers within that. So we happen to get the Deadpool chaser. There's 2,500 of those out of that 15,000 of the figure. So those are pretty low odds to get one, and we happen to get that one, which is really cool. You'll know you got the chaser because they all come with a little pog, and on the back side, it lets you know you found the chaser, or in the case of Beryl, you didn't find the chaser. So it's really luck of the draw with these, but that adds to the fun. You know for sure you're getting a character that you love because it's on the can. It's not a total mystery, but what is the thrill of the excitement is finding out whether or not you got one of those rare chasers. Thank you again to Entertainment Earth for sharing all of these products with us so that we could share them with you. Be sure to visit EntertainmentEarth.com if you're interested in these or any other types of products. And again, in addition to Funko, they sell everything related to Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel. If you're a fan of something, they probably sell something related to that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.